Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. So, guys, guess what? Today, I want to share with you these important herbs that you can actually dehydrate, turn into powder, and then when you start using it, within 3 or 4 days that you start using this particular herbs, you are going to see massive change, especially when it comes to open doors of business, when it comes to attracting money. So far as you have business that you are doing, you have where you are always selling. In fact, you have what you are doing that fetches you money. This recipe is for you. I mean, we want to double our income. Yeah. So you want to double your income, you want to build that house, you want to call a house owner, you want to call a hotel owner, you want to call a car owner, or you just want people to love you, people who are around you to just love you for who you are. Guys, you need this recipe. And you are a young girl, you are find difficult to settle down in a particular relationship. When this person come, before you know it, something will come up and that relationship will get terminated. If you have been facing that, you're a lady here, you're a young man here, you have been facing that challenge, you have been having that difficult to settle down, disappointment up and down in your relationship, in your courtship, you have to do this recipe because you know why. Whatever thing that has been blocking, that's making, causing that delay in your life, causing that setbacks, causing that promise and fail in your relationship will be removed, and it will attract good people. This will not only remove all the negative energy that always spoil your relationship, rather is still going to do what, to bring, allow the good people who will take care of you to come inside your life and then occupy your heart. So if that is what you want to hear, please keep on watching. But before I go into that video, I want to use this wonderful opportunity to thank you, my returning subscribers, for always coming back to watch my videos. May God Almighty bless you. Yeah, I really appreciate your support. And if today is your first time of seeing my face, you're highly welcome. My name is Ano Amaka. Here in this channel, we teach you how you can use natural things around you, some herbs, to solve some of your spiritual problems by the special grace of God. So, if that is what you want to hear, keep on watching and do not watch without subscribing. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit that red button showing on your screen that says subscribe, and also remember to turn on your notification bell on so that whenever I upload new video, you will get notification. We thank God for nature. Nature is good. We thank God, Chukwuemeka, who created nature, who created all of those things, the leaves, the roots, anything. He created everything and then he handed it over to us. Thank God for him. You can, I swear, use all of those things that God created to beautify your life, to make them begin to work, to remove all the bondage of difficulties, all the bondage of failure, all the bondage of disappointment in life, all the bondage of sickness. Thank God that He brought all of these natural things to us. So, in today's video, I will tell you how we can use some particular leaves to do what? To solve this problem that I just mentioned earlier on when I was, starting this video. So keep on watching. Now, to attract good person, to attract good suitors, to make people who hate you begin to love you naturally, unconditionally, this leaf, you must start using it. And if you need a massive sales in your business, you want to attract people to always buy from you, like you don't want to lack money at all again, you have to start doing this recipe. First of all, you need a dehydrator. You need dehydrator so that you can be able to dry this leaf very very well. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use ordinary sun. If you're living in a place where sun is much, you can dry it very very well outside. Okay, so to do that, you need these leaves. Okay, you need this leaf. This leaf is called mercy and favor leaf. It's an attraction leaf. It brings money. It brings money. Okay, so this is the leaf. It is called Sodom apple leaf. That is number one leaf. All right. So number second leaf, you need miracle leaf. This leaf we call it miracle leaf. Okay, this is miracle leaf. Can you see it? You can also use it for do as I said. Okay. So that is number two, sorry. Then number three, you need this leaf. This is called white jatropha. You need white jatropha leaf. Okay. So number four, you need goat's weed flower. Number five, no, I think that is number three. There, number four, you need goat's weed flower. Then number five, you need bitter leaf. You need bitter leaf. And number six, you need one bund of alligator pepper. So how will you make use of all these things? You are to gather all this material, this raw material. When you gather it, wash it properly, then you dehydrate it. Make sure that everything dry very well. After drying, mix it together, grind everything. Grind it well, grind it well. After you are done grinding it, now also grind your one bund of alligator pepper, grind it together with the back of the alligator pepper. And after grinding it, now bring all those things out, right? Get me one bottle of honey, original honey, not just ordinary honey. You need original honey because you are going to be fetching half of that grounded dehydrated leaf and the grounded alligator pepper. You add it inside your half bottle of honey, and then you shake it very well. You keep it there for like 3 days. Every morning I use this your middle finger to fetch it from there, and then you do what? You lick it. You understand? Why the other parts of the leaf, whenever you want to bath, you just use your hand like this, carry it a little, put it inside your bathing water, and decree a word, use it to bath. Then the remaining one that also remains, the little one, if you are the fond of perfume, you like wearing perfume every day whenever you want to go out for business, for contract, for anything, for a date. Just put it inside your perfume, then put a little inside your body cream, and then your body your face cream. Okay, for ladies who like rubbing cream, rub it. Guys, let me tell you, forget about the way I am just saying it. This method works very like it's a sharp. Oh, in fact, you need to see where this thing is working. It's sharp remedy that attracts money and make people to love you. If you're already experiencing hatred, people always hate you in your place of work, in the family, and when you're not home, everybody just every time. Nothing that you do that will please them. They'll always hate you for nothing, for no reason. Use this particular ingredient, guys. You, in fact, you'll be amazed with the result. And you're a lady here, you want to attract good people in your life. Also do this by the special grace of God. Remember, when you are doing it, also make your prayer, okay? Make your prayer, say it out, and it shall be so. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please, after watching this video, like this video for me, share it, leave your comment under the comment section. And if you want to order for the raw material like raw leaf, okay, all you have to do is to chat me on this number 090 5982 5779 090 5982 5779. Or maybe you want me to dehydrate it by myself and then send you the powder. Also contact me on the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.